Here in the Northwest, we enjoy wild salmon on the grill all year round. Let me share with you 7 simple tips that I like to use. Let's start by brushing both sides of the salmon with olive oil. Place salmon on a hot grill, skin side up. The heat will draw the oils from the skin side down through the fish. After 2 minutes, give each piece a 1/4 turn to complete the grill marks. Lower the heat to medium. As the salmon cooks, it will turn from translucent to opaque. After 2 more minutes, flip each piece once and only once. Look at the beautiful markings. When the flakes are mostly opaque and the fish is getting firm to the touch, it is almost done. So it is time to remove. Now, let it sit for a minute. The salmon will finish cooking even after coming off the grill. And finally, time to enjoy.